delta-8 THC and the more widely recognized delta-9 THC. So what exactly is the difference between delta-8 and delta-9 THC? Well, it comes down to their molecular structures. Both delta-8 and delta-9 THC are chemically similar, but they have a slight difference in their molecular structure. The number in their names indicate the position of a double bond in their molecular chain. For delta-8, the double bond is on the 8th carbon atom, while for delta-9, it's on the 9th carbon atom. This small difference has a significant impact on associated with cannabis. It can produce feelings of euphoria, relaxation, and altered sensory perception. However, it can also cause paranoia, anxiety, and other adverse effects in some individuals. Let's take a closer look at the reasons why people use delta-9 THC. First up, recreational use. Many people enjoy the euphoric and relaxing effects of delta-9 THC. It can also heighten sensory perception, alter the sense of time, and induce feelings of creativity or sociability, making it a popular choice for recreational users. Second, it can be used as pain relief. Delta-9 THC has been shown to help alleviate chronic pain, muscle spasms, and inflammation, making it a potentially useful option for those dealing with conditions like multiple sclerosis, fibromyalgia, and arthritis. Third, mental health. Some people find that delta-9 THC can help alleviate symptoms of anxiety, depression, and PTSD. However, it's important to note that it may cause or exaggerate anxiety or paranoia in some individuals, so it really isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. Fourth, people are taking it for insomnia. Delta-9 THC can have sedative effects, which may help those who struggle with insomnia or other sleep-related issues. Fifth, nausea and appetite stimulation. Delta-9 THC has been shown to reduce nausea and stimulate appetite, making it a potential option for patients undergoing chemotherapy or dealing with conditions like HIV or AIDS or cancer that can cause a loss of appetite. And sixth, glaucoma. Some research suggests that delta-9 THC can help reduce intraocular pressure, providing temporary relief for glaucoma patients. Now, on the other hand, delta-8 THC is less potent and has a more subtle psychoactive effect. Users often report a clear-headed high with reduced anxiety and paranoia. It also has several potential medical benefits, including, first, milder psychoactive effects. Delta-8 THC provides a more subtle and clear-headed high compared to delta-9 THC, and this makes it an appealing option for those who want to experience the psychoactive effects of cannabis without the intensity or potential side effects like anxiety and paranoia that could come with delta-9 THC. Second to that, anxiety relief. Users often report that delta-8 THC can help alleviate anxiety, providing a sense of calm and relaxation without the overwhelming effects that some people experience with delta-9 THC. Third, pain relief. Like delta-9 THC, delta-8 THC has analgesic properties that can help reduce pain and inflammation. This makes it a potential option for individuals suffering from chronic pain, arthritis, or other inflammatory conditions. Fourth, it has antiemetic properties. Delta-8 THC has been shown to help reduce nausea and vomiting, which can be particularly beneficial for cancer patients undergoing chemotherapy or individuals with other conditions that cause nausea. Fifth, appetite stimulation. Delta-8 THC can help stimulate appetite, making it potentially useful for those dealing with a loss of appetite due to medical conditions or treatments. Sixth, it has neuroprotective properties. Some research suggests that delta-8 THC may have neuroprotective properties which could potentially benefit individuals with neurodegenerative diseases. As with any cannabinoid, individual experiences with delta-8 or delta-9 THC can vary, and not everyone will experience the same benefits or side effects, so it's super important to consult with a healthcare professional before using delta-8 or delta-9 THC for medical purposes or if you have any medical concerns. So why would someone choose delta-8 THC over delta-9 THC or vice versa? The choice ultimately depends on the individual and their desired effects. For recreational users, delta-9 THC may be more appealing due to its stronger psychoactive properties. However, for those who want a milder experience or are more sensitive to the side effects of delta-9 THC, delta-8 THC may be a better option. For medical patients, the choice will depend on their specific symptoms and needs. Delta-8 THC's pain-relieving, antiemetic, and appetite-stimulating properties may be more suitable for certain conditions, while delta-9 THC may be more appropriate for others. It is essential to note that depending on where you live, you may not have full access to both or either of these cannabinoids. And we are a Texas-based brand, and we fall under hemp regulations. So our delta-8 and delta-9 THC both come from hemp, making them legal. So as long as they contain less than 0.3% of delta-9 THC. Psychoactive cannabinoids can affect everyone